Welcome to ISE 2020. My name is Jitse Cinema and I work for RICOH Europe. And I'm here to present our AV managed service. And with our AV managed service, we are the only global operating AV integrator with local presence. And we're offering AV as a service, which is completely a new concept. And it's not about devices, it's about solutions. And we sell solutions as a service. And we monitor them from our operation center in Poland, where we look after your full AV estate, and we give you reasonable insights on usability, on usage, but also we can integrate with IoT sensors to make the workplace even more better. And we're a digital workplace integrator, so we can do everything from conference rooms to digital signage and video walls. That's basically what we do. RICOH-Europe.com.